This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Jim Stanley. This very nice brick 3-bed 2-bath home is in great condition and offers lots of room. Roomy kitchen with bar and dine-in area, leads to big laundry room with tons of storage. The family room with fireplace makes for comfortable evenings with the kids enjoying the fire. Open plan between kitchen and family room make it easy to enjoy family time while you prepare dinner. Big fenced backyard, beautiful front corner lot with large trees, this one would be so easy to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Stanley at 479-264-7294.